In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PowerPoint presentation. Starting with this essential skill is vital, whether you're preparing for a meeting, a class assignment, or simply sharing ideas. Let's dive into the process, ensuring you gain both the knowledge and confidence to create effective presentations. The first thing you'll need to do is open Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're using the online version, simply navigate to your preferred browser and enter the PowerPoint URL, or launch the application if you have it installed on your computer. This is where the magic begins, as PowerPoint provides a blank canvas for you to sketch out and build your presentation. Once you're on the PowerPoint home screen, you'll notice several options. For this tutorial, let's focus on clicking on Create Blank Presentation. This option offers a fresh, clean slate, allowing you complete creative freedom. You'll see a series of blank slides appear, where the real work starts to take shape. However, if you're looking for inspiration or a quicker start, take a moment to explore the various templates available below the blank presentation option. Templates can save time by offering pre-designed slides, complete with coordinated fonts, colors, and layouts. Choose one that aligns with your presentation's theme or message, or stick with your blank slate if you prefer to start from scratch. Now that you have your presentation space set up, it's time to consider the structure of your slides. Start with the title slide, which typically includes the presentation title and your name or company. Consider this as the opening statement to your story, so make it compelling and clear. For subsequent slides, it's helpful to outline your main points, using one slide per key idea. Keep your text concise. Remember that slides should complement your verbal narration, not overwhelm your audience with too much information. Use bullet points or brief sentences to highlight essential points. Don't forget about visuals. Incorporating images, charts, or videos can make your presentation more engaging. PowerPoint makes it easy to insert various media. Just explore the Insert tab to see your options. Choose visuals that enhance understanding or emphasize your points effectively. As you build your presentation, pay attention to design elements like font choice, color schemes, and slide transitions. Consistency is key, so select a theme or design style and stick to it throughout your slides for a more polished look. Finally, practice makes perfect. Once you've created your slides, rehearse your presentation to ensure smooth delivery. Time yourself, anticipate audience questions, and refine your slides as needed. And there you have it. By understanding these foundational steps, you're now well equipped